Americans shell out more cash each year for cosmetic modifications than for higher education. Although many people place a high value on attraction, many still find it puzzling. Just exactly is it about men that women find attractive, and vice versa? Attraction is a really intricate process, which is the most bizarre part about it. Your body goes into a hormonal frenzy the second you lay eyes on that charming person. In the blink of an eye, this whole process completes, and you're either smitten or completely uninterested in the other person. Despite making a lot of attempts, some people just can't seem to draw in a partner. Perhaps you have spent the past many years trying to find love, but you've been unsuccessful each time. If you want to know how to increase your personal appeal, it's much easier to do once you know the psychological secrets of attraction. You are a diamond in the rough, yet if you are typical, the jeweler has not yet cut and shaped you. Your trip to the jeweler is scheduled for today. I bet you didn't realize this, but your nose is the most strongly associated sense with memory. More than anything else, the scent of the person you interacted with will stick out in your memory when you think back on that time. Someone else's nose can detect your eating habits, workplace, and bathing frequency. Taking a shower before going out tonight can be a smart idea if you recently left McDonald's and your scent is reminiscent of swimming in fries. Color is another psychological secret of attraction. Wearing the correct colors can make you more attractive in any setting. Wearing clothing in chilly, neutral tones has the effect of calming other people down. Whether you're a man or a woman, wearing vibrant hues like red and orange might make you more attractive to others. For the ladies, this method works best if they wear similarly form-fitting garments, such as a red dress. Because they mimic the variations in skin tone that happen during such unique periods, bright colors can make anyone look more appealing. This is because they influence a primitive region of the brain. The Oedipus complex describes the disturbing tendency to develop romantic feelings for someone who looks similar to one's parents. People who resemble our parents tend to pique our interest, according to research. As an example, if you're a boy whose mom has blonde hair and blue eyes, it's likely that you'll have a strong preference for females with similar traits. If you're a lady whose dad is tall and slender, you might find yourself drawn to people who share his physical characteristics. So, what are a few more psychological keys to attracting people? It turns out that symmetry has a big role in how attractive you seem. Therefore, working on your symmetry can help you seem better. Another intriguing fact is that your attraction to certain people is influenced by your parents' age. Older males with receding hairlines and wrinkles will pique a girl's interest more if her father is older. You are more likely to be attracted to a younger person if both of your parents are younger. A person's vocal intonation can convey their level of interest in mating, which is a proven way to increase a man's attractiveness. Research has consistently shown that girls with a higher voice pitch are more attractive than those with a lower one. Hunger, of all things, can alter a person's perception of what is attractive. If you're hungry, you can find yourself drawn to someone with a little extra fat than your usual ideal. Beards are supposedly all the rage, and if you're a man looking to amp up your charm, research shows that women find men with a medium-sized beard the most attractive. It may be time to grow a beard if you're seeking for a simple method to boost your appeal. Men with full beards are perceived as more desirable spouses and fathers. How about wearing a smile? When we're happy, we grin, and people tend to gravitate toward those who exude happiness. So you'd assume that grinning would boost your attractiveness, wouldn't you? Indeed, smiling makes you more attractive to boys, especially if you're a girl. Hold off on the smile, guy. Keep that serious expression on your face. Interestingly, much as female chimps are drawn to the dominant male who challenges the other males by pounding on his chest, ladies are attracted to men who display pride. As a man, you shouldn't beat your chest because it's kind of strange, yet women are psychologically drawn to men who show pride. Do you ever find yourself wondering why all the female characters in Japanese animation have such long legs and large eyes? Because these characteristics denote youth and fertility, Most men are predisposed to be drawn to girls with these features, which is why they were intentionally developed this way. Mascara, eyeliner, and high heels allow girls to simulate the appearance of a fertile mate, which is a feature that all humans are hardwired to seek out. The most crucial factor for guys, according to research involving over 10,000 people across multiple cultures, is physical appearance. Therefore, obviously, it's important. Basically, if you're a female who wants to attract a lot of boys, it's a good idea to work on your physical appearance. Says Aristotle, personal beauty is a greater recommendation than any letter of reference. Some of the most recent studies have shown that men and women actually have a common body type. Everybody loves guys with deep voices and symmetrical bodies, while the 36-24-36 ratio, the waist-to-hip ratio, is considered the ideal female body type. As a man, are you aware that the majority of women find a man more appealing when he has a dog? The thinking behind this is that girls are drawn to the responsibility that comes with dog ownership. Remember to bring your handsome dog along the next time you plan on meeting that particular girl at the beach. Bonus points if your dog is attractive as well. The fact that girls care more about a man's height and guys more about a girl's weight is another intriguing truth. Hey, all you men who are on the shorter side may easily pull this off by donning an extra long pair of jeans over your stilts. According to the research, beauty standards are very rigid. For example, guys who are an inch or two short of the average height have a more difficult time securing dates. Compared to a girl who is merely a few pounds overweight, a girl who is 20 pounds overweight will be drastically less desirable to men. All you have to do to get more attractive is start exercising and dieting, which is fantastic news for girls. When you have all the facts, psychological attraction isn't as mysterious as it first appears. The hunting physique, characterized by a wide chest, powerful shoulders, and a trim waist, turns out to be the most attractive to females. How about odors? What scents do you think men find attractive? And what do you think girls find attractive? It has been shown that girls with a lavender or pumpkin aroma tend to attract more men, whereas guys with a black licorice or cucumber aroma tend to attract more girls. When you're intoxicated, doesn't everyone seem more attractive? Research shows that inebriated persons tend to see more attractiveness in others, possibly because they are less perceptive of facial asymmetry. Girls find people with less appealing stomach fat because it indicates reduced fertility in libido, which is another psychological secret of attraction. Narcissists are more attractive than the average person, in case you didn't know. Anyone who has watched the Iron Man films is familiar with the concept of a narcissist. In spite of the widespread disapproval of these people, research shows that when evaluated during speed dating, the majority of participants find them highly attractive. Narcissists routinely outscored the general population on measures of physical beauty. It is said that in order to love another person, one must first love themselves. Narcissists certainly meet this description. A lot of individuals wish they were more attractive, and the psychology of attraction is intriguing, yet they fail to realize that even modest changes can have a significant impact. The amount of hair on a man's chest has a direct correlation to his overall attractiveness, with studies showing that women find men with less hair more appealing. Guys, if you want to look more appealing, get a buzz cut or get laser hair removal. The psychology of attraction may remain a mystery, but there are numerous things you can do to improve your own attractiveness to other people. So, until we meet again, I appreciate you tuning in.